So Moog is a precision motion control provider to many, many industries, but specific to this building, we are supporting launch vehicles that go into space or rockets. And something you may not know about a company right in your backyard is Moog sends something into space every single week, and we've been on every major mission you can think of. So the products we do, they're precision motion controls, really to control, for example, a satellite being inserted into orbit for various missions. This facility is state-of-the-art, and we've also engaged our employees to help name our conference rooms. When you walk into this space, it's a fresh experience. It gives a nod to the incredible technology we provide, and our employees have put their mark on anything from naming our Launchpad Cafe to a nod to the amazing contributors in the space industry in our conference rooms. I think the best part is that it's an open, collaborative space. People are using the top technology to test the products that we have. And also, we have the space we need to meet the growth. Right now, we're growing at an unprecedented rate in the space industry, and that requires extra space. So our production teams are really looking forward to having the most efficient layout and the best production flow for manufacturing the goods we do every day.